Today, we're going to learn a little bit about the verb comer in Portuguese, which means eat, the verb to eat. Comer is a regular verb, modo indicativo. In grammar, the indicative mood is a verb form you use to make declarative statements that you assume to be factually accurate. I'm going to give you an example. Eu gosto de maçãs. Eu gosto de maçãs. I like apples. This is a declarative statement. Presente do indicativo. In English, you can compare to the present, simple present. Eu como chocolate todos os dias. I eat chocolate every day. Here, we are talking about a fact in the present moment. We're not talking about the past. We're talking about a fact using the verb in the present. Pretérito perfeito. You can compare to the past simple. Eu comi toda a comida. I ate all the food. The action was completed. We started and we finished. Pretérito imperfeito. You can compare to the past continuous in English. Minha irmã jantava quando o telefone tocou. We can also say, minha irmã estava jantando quando o telefone tocou. I need to tell you, the second sentence, it's what Brazilians really use in daily conversation. My sister was having dinner when the phone rang. As you can see, the action or a past behavior was interrupted. We're talking about something that wasn't completed. Pretérito mais-que-perfeito. Past perfect. Meu amigo me ofereceu uma maçã na sala ontem, mas eu não estava com fome porque eu almoçara antes. My friend offered me an apple in classroom yesterday, but I wasn't hungry because I had just eaten lunch. It's the past of the past. A past situation before another past situation. Futuro do presente do indicativo. Here we can use the simple future. You can use will. In Portuguese, all the verbs in the future, in the simple future, futuro do presente, it's actually the mixed between the verb haver and other verb. So here we have a pattern, as, a, emos, eis, o. And we mix with another verb. Eu comerei. I will eat. Tu comerás. You will eat. Ele comerá. He will eat. Você comerá. You will eat. Nós comeremos. We will eat. Vós comereis. You will eat in the plural. And eles comerão. They will eat. Here we are talking about certainty. So we speak in the present about the future, but it's a certain future. Você, it's how we call people. It's actually the proper translation for you. But also we can use tu to use instead of you. But in daily conversation, people don't use the proper verb. They use the second person with the verb in the third person, which is wrong. Futuro do pretérito. In English, it's common the usage of would, could, and should. Eu comeria chocolate se pudesse. I would eat chocolate if I could. Eu comeria chocolate se você permitisse. I could eat chocolate if you allow me to. Here we are talking about hypothetical future, which is conditioned to another action or state. I would do this if you would do that, and so on. Now, the indicative mood of the verb comer. Presente. It's a fact. Eu como. Tu comes. Ele come. Nós comemos. Vós comeis. Eles comem. Pretérito imperfeito, which means we had an interruption. Eu comia, tu comias, ele comia, nós comíamos, vós comíeis, eles comiam. Pretérito perfeito, also a fact, but we use the verb in the past form. Eu comi, tu comeste, ele comeu, nós comemos, vós comestes, eles comeram. Pretérito mais-que-perfeito. Past of the past. Eu comera, tu comeras, ele comera, nós coméramos, vós comereis, eles comeram. Futuro do presente. Certainty about the future. Eu comerei, tu comerás, ele comerá, nós comeremos, vós comereis, eles comerão. Futuro do pretérito. A hypothetical future which depends on another action. Eu comeria, tu comerias, ele comeria, nós comeríamos, vós comeríeis, eles comeriam.